In this video, you will learn about template matching. Template matching is a method for searching and finding the location of a template. We will have two images here. One will be our original image and the second will be subset of our original image, and that subset is also known as patch image. In OpenCV, we have a function called match template. We will use this function to find the matching of our patch image with the original image. And how it works, that it will slide the template image over the input image and compares the template and match of the input image under the template image. So let's try to understand this first in a visual representation, then we will see it through the code. How this template matching works: we will have original image and we will have patch image. The difference between the two is, in original image we have full image of our puppy with background here, and in patch image we are just having face of our puppy. Now what we are trying to do here is, we are trying to match this face that we have in this patch image with the original image. And there are 6 types of algorithms here that we are going to see in the code. So we will apply those 6 algorithms, and this is going to be our result image. Now here you are seeing this rectangular box here. This means that the patch image or the subset image is being matched with the original image. And for some algorithm we will see that the results are not good. Instead of having rectangle on the face, you will see rectangle somewhere outside of this face, or maybe on the left side or on the right side. This is the main goal of template matching, where you have to match your patch image with original image. Now let's go to our Jupyter notebook and see this through code. Let's import CV2, import numpy as np, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, percentage matplotlib inline. Now I'm going to read our puppy image and save in the variable puppy. From CV2, I will call the method imread or imread, and then I will pass here puppy image name, and it is puppy dash dog.jpg. And now I'm going to convert this image from BGR to RGB. I will call this puppy variable here, and then I will call cv2 dot cvt color. Inside this our image, and then from cv2 dot color underscore bgr to rgb, and then we are going to look at the image plt dot imshow, and then puppy. Now this is our original image. We have entire puppy here, and now we are going to read subset or patch image, and I'll make one variable subset underscore image, and then I will call cv2 dot imread, and then here puppy dot subset dot jpg, and then similarly I will convert this from BGR to RGB. Subset underscore image is equal to cv2 dot cvt color, and then subset image, then cv2 dot color underscore bgr to rgb, and then plt dot imshow subset image. Now here in the output you can see this is our patch image or our subset image. Now there are six methods for comparison of this template for template matching, and we can look at them one by one. So what I will do, I will copy this list of six algorithms to save our time, and these are the six algorithms or six methods, you can say. I'll put it here. So we have this cv2.tm underscore ccoeeff, and this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And these are the different methods that we can use for template matching, and we will see which method is giving us better result, or which method is detecting patch image with template image. Now before we apply all this method, let's make one image here, or one, you can say, heat map here. So I'm going to make one variable method, and method, then I will call here eval. This is a function, and inside this I will pass one of these method here. Let's say I will give this method here. I'll copy it here, and then I will paste it here. Then I will save the result in the variable res, and then I will call cv2 dot match template. So this is the function that we are going to use for template matching. Inside this I will pass our puppy image name, which is puppy, and then subset. This is a subset image, and then method, and our method is going to be this one that we are using. We are currently using this one only. Now I will press enter here. This will take full image and scan against the subset image for template match based on the method provided. Now let us do plt.imshow res. You will see this heat map here. Now this is like a heat map. Now we need to find the maximum and minimum value of this heat map, and maximum and minimum value of location, and then we will use these numbers to draw out a rectangle where it will think that it has found the match for the subset image or the face. Now, so first let me make three more variables. So I will make your height, width, and channels, and we will get information from subset image. So we have this height, width, and channel, and then I have to write here shape, because we are getting the shape. So let me print this, what we are passing here. So we are passing here this is the height, this is width, and channel is 3, that is RGB. Now we are going to copy and paste one for loop that I have already pasted here to save our time, and then we will see the result. We don't need to do anything. I will copy it from here, and then I will paste it here. So what it will do, it will create a for loop on these methods, and in our methods you will see we have a list of 6 methods here. So it will go over one by one, and then it will first create a copy of the image. Then we will get the actual function instead of the string from our list of method. So this one m, all the methods will be in this variable m, and then we will apply template matching with all of these methods here. So we have this method in which we are evaluating all these functions or methods m. Then we will find the maximum and minimum values, and we will assign to these variables minimum, maximum, minimum, and max. And then we will select these methods from, let's say, these two methods we are selecting from list of method. and then we assign the rectangle. So this is nothing but we are assigning the rectangle here, uh, at which position we want to create this rectangle, and then we will finally draw the rectangular and the color will be red here. And then we will make these two plots. So on the left side we will have heat map, and on the right side we will have our patch image, and it will show us how it is matching with the actual image. Now let us execute this code. So this is the output here, and we should have 6 results because we have passed 6 methods, and this is the first one. So you will see that it has detected accurately the face of our puppy. So first one, and the method, this is the method name given here, tm underscore ccoeff. Now let's look at the other method. So this was the first one, this is the second one, this is also detected correctly. This is the third one, and you can see that it has not detected our patch image correctly. It is making rectangular or outside the actual face. This method is that has also detected correctly. Then we have this sqdif, it has also detected correctly. This one is also correct. So we see that out of 6 methods, all of them have correctly detected our patch image, except this one, which is tm ccorr. So this is how you can do template matching in OpenCV. You can compare your actual image with a subset image or patch image, and you can detect or you can find the template from your original image. That is all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.